Okay. Today we will learn a new verse. Medyo mahaba itong verse natin. So, turo natin isa-isa. Yung each, so yung thumbs up, tas ganyan, and then do like this. Okay, each. Nakikita nyo?
Parang
Each.
posporo.
Oo, oo, nakaganyan. Yung,
Parang you're lighting a can,
yes, ganito
a
siya.
match.
Tapos each one, okay, must give, alam na natin yung give, as he has decided. Yung decided, think, tapos ganon. Okay. Think. Okay. Ito yung decided. Decided. In his
Gusto ko yan,
heart,
teacher. Ang cute naman. Decided. Talaga.
decided. Oo. Okay, nakaganyan. Dito muna and then decided. Yung heart, ganito siya, middle finger, ganun mo sa heart mo. Heart. Okay?
Mm-mm.
Yung not reluctantly, ibig sabihin nun, not willingly. So yung not, alam na natin, ano? Not reluctantly. Okay, nasa heart din. Okay, not reluctantly or under compulsion. Compulsion, under compulsion, parang force, ano, pinupuwersa. So, lagay mo muna itong left hand mo dito, tapos ganyan, parang sinangga. Okay.
Wow.
Under compulsion or under force. For God, alam na natin yung God, loves, yung cheerful, kailangan nakasmile kayo. Ganyan, cheerful. Okay.
Wow, I like
Cheerful,
that.
cute. Cheerful giver. Okay? Nakuha niyo
Uh-uh.
ba? Second Corinthians 9:7. Sige, ulitin natin ha. Slowly lang. Second Corinthians 9:7. Each one must give as he has decided in his heart, not
Not
reluctantly
exactly
or
or
under
under
compulsion,
compulsion.
for God
God
loves a
loves
cheerful giver. Okay, Second Corinthians 9
giver.
7.
Wow, that's so nice,
Okay.
teacher. Gusto ko yung
Thank you.
cheerful.
Yung cute ng cheerful. Cheerful. Tapos naka-smile.
Tadaan!